Let me show you how I get this needle felted 3D render. The key to getting the needle felt look is the shader's normal bump. So you can see it's got these very clear, bumps on it that are very visible, which is important because when we put the hair on top of it, it's mostly going to be covered. The texture needs to be pretty obvious. We need to see it come through the felt fiber we add on top. In a real needle felt, you can see all the fibers making up the doll. I just used a standard noise texture so you won't need to unwrap your model, and we can keep this easy. Each model will differ in size and shape, so play around until you get the right look. Now we put a hair emitter on top. I do two types of hair. One is the felt fibers covering the body, and the second coat of felt fibers that are just like a little bit longer, but there are much fewer of them. You can see them kind of sticking out. It gives it the kind of a handmade needle felt imperfect look. On the body of this, I have actually 3 particles you can see because I made a separate one to add some white hairs on the cheeks. And you can't, unfortunately you kind of can, but you can't really control color for hair emitters. So I just did this using vertex groups, which is basically just a mask allowing me to control where the hair comes from. I have 70,000 hairs to cover the body, but not completely, so the texture is visible underneath. The only thing I really do to the hair is add a Brownian under the physics tab. Make sure you check advanced mode. The Brownian adds length and a crunchy texture. For the model itself, I made a very simple character with really barely any details, a couple of things to represent like sewn in parts, little details, but you might expect on a real needle felt, especially a more amateur one that doesn't have a lot of detail on it. For the eyes, it's just shiny eyes, not really much. I added a couple of image planes in the back so that the eyes would reflect them and look a little more realistic. I would highly recommend adding scratches and such to the eyes. That would add a nice level of realism to it. I have a couple of light sources to give it a very faded look. This is just an area light. I have 2 area lights, I think actually 3 area lights. One to add a little bit of extra color. These 2 are just to light the character. And I have a backlight, just a spotlight to help see some of the little fibers and such. It adds a nice effect to it. And a simple stage. If you're interested in a comprehensive guide for how I work from start to finish, making the model all the way down to Photoshop, compositing everything together, please let me know. If you have any questions, I'm always available to answer. Thanks for watching.